Hello, Professor. Here is video presentation of Group 10. Our topic is hydro energy. My name is Ethan, and the one seated by me is my teammate Miranda. Our presentation will lead you to explore the knowledge of the hydro energy, including 5 parts, which are operation principle of hydro energy, development of hydro energy, advantages and disadvantages, future effects, the ongoing research, and the bottleneck. Without further ado, let's begin the part 1, the operational principle of hydro energy. Looking at the picture, you will find the process starts with the construction of a dam, which creates the reservoir of water. As the water is released from the dam, it flows through the turbine, which spins a generator that produces electricity. The amount of electricity generated is proportional to the volume and speed of water flowing through the turbine. The higher the dam, the more water pressure is created, and the bigger the turbine it can push. And it can divide it into 4 parts: the use potential energy, rotary hydraulic turbine. The rotating motion of the turbine produces hydropower, collect and transmit electrical energy. And the last part, the output voltage of the hydropower station is high, but the current is small, so the efficiency is high and is very suitable for long-distance power transmission. Next, let's focus on the development of hydro energy. The development of hydro energy has a long history, dating back to the ancient Greeks and the Romans, who used water wells to green grass and perform other tasks. In the modern era, hydroelectrical power plants were first developed in the late 19th century. And since then, the technology has been refined and improved to increase efficiency and reduce costs. The last part of mine is advantages and disadvantages. In my opinion, the advantages can be divided into 3 parts. It's a clean, renewable energy source that doesn't emit greenhouse gases and other pollutants. Hydroelectrical power plants can also be used to store energy by pumping water back up into the reservoir during periods of low demand. Hydro energy can provide base load power, meaning it can be used to meet the constant demand for electricity. There are also some disadvantages. The construction of dams can have a significant impact on the environment, including altering the natural flows of rivers, affecting aquatic ecosystems, and displacing people and wildlife. Dams can also create safety concerns such as the risk of dam failure and flooding downstream. The development of new hydroelectrical power plants can be expensive, and not all regions have suitable geography for this type of energy generation. Next, let's welcome my teammate Miranda to talk about the next 2 parts.
The part 4 are the future effects of the hydropower. First, let's see the future trends. The development of hydropower stations in the future will gradually realize digitalization and intelligence. The country will focus on the development and construction of pump storage systems. And as for the impact on the future electricity grid formation, currently more and more countries want to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and increase the share of renewable energy in their power mix. Experts agree that hydropower is the only clean renewable energy source that can be developed and utilized on a large scale, with flexible peaking performance, and has been highly valued by countries around the world. In the future, hydropower will still be a period of rapid development. Hydropower development is of strategic importance to ensure China's future energy security, address climate change, and optimize the energy structure. So in the process of transition to a cleaner and more sustainable energy system, hydro energy will play an important role. Then let's go to the last part, the ongoing research and the bottlenecks. Some key research areas include increasing the efficiency of the turbines, reducing the environmental impact of dams, and improving the integration of hydro energy into the electricity grid. One significant challenge for hydro energy is that not all regions have the suitable geographic conditions. In the past, the main factor that restricts hydropower construction is the investment, but in the future, it will be the environment and migration. Over the past 2 decades, China's hydropower construction has achieved certain results and experience in environmental protection and other aspects. But there are still many problems that need to be solved. China's low degree of hydropower development. The United States hydropower development degree of more than 70%, while China is only 31.5%. To protect the ecological environment on the basis of moderate, orderly development of hydropower resources. Some urgent problems: hydropower development, local economic development, and the interest of the local residents is not enough. Storage migration problem is still common. Ecological protection of the environment needs to be strengthened. Hydropower with different prices, electricity prices are low. So experts also reminded that hydropower development should follow the principle of scientific planning and orderly development to promote the sustainable development of hydropower. The heavy cost of replacing coal with hydropower can be divided in 2 parts. As for destruction of river ecosystems and fish habitats, replacing coal power with hydro energy has the potential to bring cleaner air to residents of coastal regions. However, the environment and residents of remote areas in the southwest will suffer severely. The next one is serious waste and inefficiency. With most of new hydroelectric plants located in the remote mountainous regions of the southwest, electricity has to travel long distance to reach manufacturing centers of southern China, which means serious losses. Due to the poor planning and poor grid infrastructure, China with enough electricity to supply the UK and Germany for a year. In conclusion, state and government should strengthen the project construction, operation and maintenance, and scheduling management to promote coordinated hydropower development and environmental protection. Here are our references. Thank you for watching.